again, welcome to this lectures room. We want to look at the topic on the mathematics, which is matrix. We want to look at algebraic of matrix. Then we'll first look at the addition and subtraction of matrix. In the addition and subtraction of matrix, what you need to take note there is that you must make sure that whatever set of values of matrix you want to add together, they must have the same number of rows and columns. What do I mean by that? If you have this form of matrix 2, 3, 5, 7 and 1, 2, 7 minus 3. If this is A and this is B, if you are asked to add A plus B together, this is possible to add together. What you just do here is that they look at the number, the rows here and column here, with the number of rows here and column here, which they all belong to, will be added together with one another. Here, you will add, this is row 1, column 1. This is row 1, column 2. This is row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2. This is row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2. Now, you had row 1, column 1, row 1, column 1 here. Row 2, column 2, go through in that order till you add everything together. This is possible to be added together. You can now have 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5, 5 plus 7, that is 12, and 7 plus minus 3, that will be equal to 4, because that will eventually become 7 minus 3. But if the number of rows and columns in one set of matrix is different from the number of rows and columns in other forms of matrix, it is going to be impossible for you to do the addition and subtraction. For instance, if A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 1, 7, 3, 2, 7, 4, and B is equal to 4, 3, 1, 3. Look at this. This is what 3 by 3 matrix. Why this is 2 by 2 matrix? It is impossible for you to do this addition or subtraction of these forms of matrix like this. But if you have the same number of rows, if the other one, the B value that we have here, if it is also in 3 by 3 matrix, you can as well go ahead to do the addition by adding the what? The rows of the rows number or the column are the same row number of column number by adding it together to get the value you really need there. Now, another thing I want you to take note in matrix is this. If you are given a particular question in matrix and you are just asked to provide the answer for it, if A is equal to this value, for instance, I have now, if A is equal to this, and you are asked to find the value of 3A, what this one is telling us is that you must multiply all these entries here by 3 here. So all this one will be 3 times 3. 3A will now be equal to what? That's 9. 3 times 4, that's 12. 3 times 5, that's 15. 3 times 1, that's 3. 3 times 7, that is 21. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8 is 24. That is the value of this information here now. I'm not going to provide a question that we are going to make use of addition and subtraction, but make sure you take note of the fact that the matrix to be added or subtracted from one another must have the same number of rows and columns. So let's wait and see that now. Now we have a question A. The question A says, if A is equal to this set of information of matrix and B is equal to this set of information of matrix, it is obvious and we are sure that this set of matrices are 3 by 3 matrices. They are of equal rows and columns. So their addition and subtraction can be possible. So we can now go ahead in solving it accordingly. We are asked to find the value of 3A minus 2B. Now, what we do here, by simplification of this solution now, is 3A. What is the value of 3A? We are going to provide it now. 3A will be 3 multiplied by all the entries of A. 3 times 4 is 12, 21, 2. 3 times 2, that will be 6. 3 times 1, 3, 0, 9. 3 times 5, 15, 18, and 15. And you also have to find it. Minus 2b. 2b, 2b will become 2 times all the entries here. 2 times 2, 4. 2, 2, 0. 2 times 4 is 8, 0, 6, 2, 4. This is the value that 3a gives to us, and b provide this one for us. And also now have 3a minus 2b. That will be equal to all those entries one after the other. 12 minus 4, 8. 21 minus 2, 19. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 8, minus 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 15 minus 6, that is going to be 9. 18 minus 2, 16. 15 minus 4, that will be 11. So that is the value of 3a minus 2b. Very simple to approach. Thank you.